It was a heavy morning in court today as prosecutors laid out the intricate details of their case against Eric Sweeney. Prosecutors say that Cassandra and Sean Sweeney had been the legal guardians of Sean's brother, then 16-year-old Eric Sweeney, since 2019. They say police were called to the home several times because of Eric and that his behavior was leading to marital issues. Prosecutors laid out what happened that morning using timestamps on videos that Cassandra recorded. One showed her 4-year-old son Benjamin in a dinosaur costume, talking about how much he loved his 2-year-old brother Mason. Benjamin was in that costume when he died. Investigators believe it was just minutes after that video was taken that Eric Sweeney fired 3 fatal shots, killing his sister-in-law and 2 nephews. Prosecutors say that he took Cassandra's phone and her truck and left. He called his brother from that phone saying that someone had broken in and killed his wife and kids. Sean told police there were 2 guns in the home, but he didn't think Eric knew where they were. The autopsy revealed that one of Sean's guns was used to kill his family, the shooter an intermediate distance away.
Dr. Duval would have testified that her examination of Cassandra's injuries and body showed the presence of stippling, or burns in her skin from the gunpowder released by a gun, which would indicate that she was shot at an intermediate range, with the end of the gun being between 6 and 30 inches from her head.
Benjamin's autopsy revealed the same stippling too, meaning he also was shot from an intermediate range away. Sweeney will be sentenced in October. In Concord, Kelly O'Brien, WMUR News 9.